Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking popcorn chicken in the air fryer. So all we need is frozen popcorn chicken. No need to defrost. I'm cooking it straight from frozen. And we also need a non-stick cooking spray so the chicken doesn't stick to the air fryer. So let's open a package of popcorn chicken and take out the air fryer basket. And I will spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to a non-stick cooking spray, you can also brush the inside of the air fryer basket with olive oil or vegetable oil. So let's put the frozen popcorn chicken in the air fryer basket in a single layer. So for best results, cook just enough so it fits in a single layer. Don't crowd it. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the popcorn chicken so it cooks more evenly, and then put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our popcorn chicken. Look at that, perfectly cooked. It looks amazing, so crispy. Now air fryers differ, so if you try it and yours is not crispy enough to your liking, you can always put it back in the air fryer for an additional few minutes. Now mine is perfectly cooked and crispy. I will remove it from the air fryer. Look how nice and crispy they are. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. You will love cooking popcorn chicken in the air fryer. So easy, so crispy, so tasty. Now for a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!